Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a little Happy Mail unboxing. I am going to start off with some surprise mail that I received from my crafty friend Felicia. Thank you so much. I saw this in my P.O. box today as I was mailing off some Happy Mail for another crafty friend. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. If you are not familiar with Felicia's channel, she's also known as FPHandmade. Now let's open it up and see what she sent. Let's see, I'm not sure. Hold on, I see a note. Letter C. How cute. Oh, look at that card. I love it. She makes the most wonderful cards. I am not a card maker, so I'm learning so much from her. Let me just read this. Oh, she's so sweet. It says, just wanted to put a smile on your face. Thank you. So sweet of you, Felicia. Thank you so much. She has included some wonderful items in here. Look at this. She's shared this leaf die, and I love floral botanical themed items, so I'm definitely going to use this to create some ephemera for fall or even for spring. And check it out. She sent me some retro stickers with a vintage floral theme. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. So I love watching Felicia's hauls, and it's so fun because, you know, as crafters, we like to find new deals and great deals, and she shows some really wonderful finds on AliExpress and other different stores. So I'll put her channel link down below if you'd like to check it out as well. And she also holds some giveaways now and then, so make sure to check it out. How beautiful this is. I was working on some specimen cards recently, and I think these will go really well with that kind of retro vintage floral theme. These are really pretty, and I love the texture. It has a very smooth texture on the top. How cool. This would also be a great addition to little journal cards, like inserts that you can make and create collage layouts. How pretty is that? That's really cool. Oh, look at this color. I also love using the packaging. Look at that beautiful image with the bunny. And then we have a couple more here. Thanks so much, Felicia. I really love this wonderful surprise mail that you sent me. Definitely brought a smile to my face. Thank you. So this next Happy Mail is a little order I placed on Etsy. It's from a store called Perry Ann's Arts and Things. So she had some stamps that I really liked, and this one's Bluebell and Buttercups. How adorable is this fawn? I hope you can see it. My lighting's a little funny here, but we have cupcakes, a little picnic with our woodland creatures, so I'm excited to use this for my fall journal. The next item I got, let's see, is this cute lawn fawn clear stamps, and my daughter Emmy loves, I'm gonna mispronounce it. It's an axolotl. We have a little betta fish that she's named after this cute little animal. So I thought I liked this, and we can do some stamping and make our own little cards. So I have that. And then I got this little fancy dies from Hero Arts from her. I love the galaxy die. If you missed my little thrift swap challenge journal reveal, the theme was kind of celestial, so I wanted to add this and create more pages with a window and a journal card in there. So I'm going to be using this die for that. And the final item that I got that I like was the seam binding, so she had dyed it in this color, and I just love the color, so I went ahead and bought that. And then she has a little sticker there saying thank you for the purchase. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little Happy Mail unboxing. Another big thank you to Felicia for that super sweet Happy Mail surprise. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.